Hey everyone, Mind Detective here? Feeling like yesterday's trash after your ex tossed you aside? Don't worry, we've all been there. But instead of wallowing in self-pity, let's turn this heartbreak into a freaking glow-up. This video is your roadmap to becoming the dreamboat she never knew she needed. We'll crack the code on making her miss you like crazy and ultimately realize what a massive mistake she made. Forget petty revenge, gentlemen. We're about to level you up into the best version of yourself. Buckle up, because this transformation is about to blow her mind. First things first, ditch the sweatpants and sad Netflix binges. It's time to hit the gym, the park, or wherever your fitness journey takes you. Getting healthy isn't just about looking good, although that confidence boost is a nice bonus. It's about channeling your emotions into something positive. Think of that breakup as fuel for your body and mind. Maybe you discover a love for weightlifting and feel stronger than ever. Or maybe long-distance runs become your therapy, clearing your head with every stride. Next, unleash your inner explorer. Remember that passion project you put on hold because we never had time? Dust it off. Did you dream of learning a new language or finally mastering that guitar you shoved in the back of the closet? Now's your chance. Investing in yourself shows her you're not defined by the relationship. It's a powerful statement that says, I have a whole life full of dreams and aspirations, and I'm going to chase them all. Plus, who knows, maybe that French class leads to an unexpected trip to Paris, or maybe your guitar skills land you a spot in a local band. Speaking of self-discovery, reconnect with your old friends. Remember those awesome nights filled with laughter and adventure that faded away as your relationship became all-consuming? Reclaim that social butterfly you were. Reach out to your buddies, plan game nights, or dust off those hiking boots for a weekend getaway. Surrounding yourself with positive people is a guaranteed mood booster. They'll remind you of the awesome guy you are, the one who can make people laugh until their sides hurt. Plus, who knows, maybe you reconnect with an old friend in a whole new way. Here's the kicker, fellas. Don't badmouth your ex. It's a desperate tactic that screams, I'm still hung up on you. Instead, live your best life and let your social media be a highlight reel of your awesome transformation. Don't be afraid to post pictures of your newfound fitness routine, your latest artistic creation, or that epic weekend camping trip. Trust me, the curiosity factor will eat at her, and she'll be wondering why you're glowing while she's stuck in her own drama. Now, this might be the toughest part: emotional detachment. Don't stalk her social media or pine over old memories. Block her number if you have to, or at least mute her posts. This isn't about being mean. It's about creating healthy space for yourself to heal. Think of it like tending a garden. You wouldn't keep pulling up the seedlings every day to see if they're growing, would you? You need to give yourself time and space to heal and blossom. Remember, revenge isn't getting her back. Revenge is becoming so incredible that she regrets letting you go in the place. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. Someone who is strong, confident, and living a life full of passion and purpose. But becoming a dreamboat isn't just about physical fitness and external validation. It's about nurturing your inner world too. Here's how. Dive into self-reflection. This breakup might have been a wake-up call. Was there something missing in your life that contributed to the relationship's demise? Maybe you weren't communicating effectively, or perhaps your needs weren't being met. Take some time to journal, meditate, or talk to a therapist. Understanding your own wants and needs will make you a stronger partner in future relationships. Fuel your mind. Did you neglect your personal interests because your ex wasn't interested in them? Now's your chance to rediscover the joy of learning. Maybe you crack open that dusty philosophy book you always wanted to read, or finally enroll in that online photography course. Expanding your knowledge base makes you a more interesting and well-rounded person. Level up your style. Let's face it, sometimes a breakup calls for a wardrobe refresh. It doesn't have to be a complete overhaul, but ditch the clothes that scream relationship rut and invest in pieces that make you feel confident and stylish. Remember, good grooming is key too. A clean haircut and a touch of cologne can work wonders for your self-esteem. This transformation isn't just about getting your ex back, although that might be a happy consequence down the line. It's about becoming the best version of yourself for you. The truth is, When you radiate confidence, self-love, and genuine happiness, people are drawn to you naturally. You might even find yourself attracting someone who appreciates you for who you truly are, flaws and all. Remember, fellas, this journey won't be easy. There will be days when you miss your ex, and that's okay. But don't let those moments derail your progress. Focus on the positive changes you're making, and surround yourself with supportive people who believe in you. Now, a word to the wise. While living your best life and subtly showcasing your transformation on social media can be a powerful tool, there's a fine line between confidence and arrogance. Don't become that guy who brags endlessly about his new hobbies and achievements. Let your actions speak for themselves. Remember, the goal isn't to make your ex jealous, although a little healthy jealousy never hurt anyone. It's to show her you've moved on and are thriving. This newfound independence and self-assuredness might just spark a flicker of curiosity within her. Maybe she'll wonder, who is this amazing guy he's become? But here's the most important part, fellas. Don't hold on to the expectation that your ex will come crawling back begging for another chance. This transformation is about you. It's about becoming the kind of man who attracts healthy, fulfilling relationships. Relationships where respect and mutual admiration are the cornerstones. The truth is, even if your ex never acknowledges your glow-up, you'll still win. You'll be a stronger, more confident version of yourself. You'll have a deeper understanding of your own needs and desires. And most importantly, you'll be open to the possibility of finding someone who truly appreciates the amazing man you are. This journey from dumped to Dreamboat won't be a walk in the park, but trust me, the results will be worth it. You'll emerge on the other side a changed man, a man who radiates self-love, purpose, and an unwavering sense of self-worth. And that, my friends, is the ultimate revenge. Subscribe for more relationship advice. Feeling lost after a breakup? Leave a comment below and let's build a community of support.